The raid has been done in most important market areas like Maulai, Laimakra, and Police Bazar, Bada Bazar, these areas. And similarly, in other towns like Tura, prominent locations, and also in Clariate, Jovai, all these places are all district headquarters and prominent areas where the markets are more. This is started quite long time, and this is and surprise inspections are being carried out in all the places and by the team. The Meghalaya state government has constituted a district level special task force for all the districts, and wherein the members from the district administration, police, and urban affairs department, and Meghalaya Pollution Control Board is also part of it. And they regularly surprise inspection be carried out to see whether they are using single-use plastic or not, and if at all they're using, and some actions also been taken. And so far in the state of Meghalaya, around more than 2 metric ton plastic has been seized from the different districts, and also same time we are giving the awareness also not to use single-use plastics, and also to encourage and also encouraging to use the cloth bags, which is easily decomposable and this is environment friendly. Our government side also they are doing like they're trying to find out the alternatives for instead of single-use plastics. And the recent inspection, we found that already people aware of that what is the harmful effects of the single-use plastics, and they started using the easily decomposable plastics, and also with they found that there are some plastic with the QR code and CPCB registration. So during inspection, it has been found from the vendors they're using the CPCB registered plastics with the QR code, all those things. So it is already reached to the public, and people are taking serious note on not to use these single-use plastics. And wherever some still small vendors like they are using single-use plastic, that all been seized by the team, and giving a strict warning not to use any single-use plastics. As we all know, there is a strict ban on single-use plastics and the plastic having thickness of less than 120 micron, and it is strictly imposed uh, across the country. And same we are making sure that it should not nobody there is no any violation and all. It is a continuing process uh, to enforce to mitigate the pollution due to pollution plastics.